Alright everybody, I got you here at a rental house and we're trying to patch these walls, and which I've done, and try to match this texture, which is kind of weird. So let me show you what we got here. The texture kind of looks like that. Not too awesome, but I'm gonna try to match it. So we just cut out the moldy drywall, and I patched it with the new, and we're going to try to recreate this, which I originally did with a paint roller. But anyway, I found a way that seems to work a little bit better than a paint roller on small areas. So, okay, so we got our mud. Okay, so I just have a rag inside of a plastic bag. Let's get a bunch of mud on there and kind of trying to make the edge go away, and it'll look better when we're done. Not saying I'm too proud of this texture, but it is what it is. It is what I've got on the wall now, and I don't really want to redo the whole thing. And it's been that way for like 15 years, and I haven't gotten too many complaints about it, or any at all, so never asked if people really liked it, but nobody said they hated it. I think I've got the breaker turned off to that, but if you hear me scream, I'll be okay. The good thing about this texture though is you don't have to have the wall very flat. It hides a lot. I mean, it's nice to have it flat, but you could have like little imperfections that definitely sand out the really high spots. But still, it covers up pretty good. And if I get like sharp areas like that, when it's all dry, I just hit it with a wide trowel and knock off the teeth. Just trying to match what's already there. One thing that kind of sucks about this type of texture is I think it would be hard to paint with a brush or a roller, but we always spray paint, which is not a problem because the spray gets everywhere inside every little crack and crevice. So I definitely prefer like blow-on texture as opposed to this, but like I say, I don't want to redo the whole house. I should probably just bite the bullet and do it, but there was so much that needed fixed on this house that it's taking a long time. We're just trying to get it done at this point. There's also going to be a washer and dryer in front of here, but I still want to make it look like it was original, same. Okay. We're gonna call that one. Okay. Now, like I said, when it dries, I'll take a wide taping knife and take off the pointy edges like that, and it'll be ready for paint. Not too great, but not too bad. Here, there was some leftover plumbing where there used to be a utility sink, and we took that out because this room is just not big enough for, wasn't enough room there then to do the laundry easily. So that's the other thing that happened. There was a heater here, and it went kind of too far, and there wasn't quite enough space. There was, but there wasn't. It was hard to get the washer and dryer in here, and so we got a different heater to go in there. The reason that plumbing froze and broke is because the tenants took the heater out and didn't put it back in. So we got another heater there to go there, but I wasn't sure where the wire was going to come in, so I left the hole too big. So I was going to patch that, but then I didn't know where to put the hole for the wire, so I left it for now. Then once I get to installing the heater, I will move the wire to either side of that.